subscribe. Let's draw a Christmas gift. Hi friends, I'm Danny. Merry Christmas! Today, let's draw a Christmas gift. Yay! First, draw a square. Next, draw a horizontal rectangle on top of the first square. Second, let's draw a vertical rectangle in the middle. Let's erase the overlapping lines. Lastly, draw 2 reverse teardrop shapes at the top for the ribbon. Surprise! You did it! Good job! Let's draw again next time. Bye! Please like and subscribe.